Hello, my name is Pally, and I'm a surgical tech student here at Pasco-Hernando State College. I'm currently in my second semester, and I'm going to walk you through our simulation lab, where we have robotic, an anti-mod table, and some anatomy. This is our anti-mod table, and it's really cool because it has cadavers that you can actually see from the skin all the way down to the nervous system. And you can also test yourself with anatomy. It shows the heart, the lungs, everything you might need to know for tests and actual in the surgery room. Which is kind of funny because when they told me that we would be working on people in real life, I thought they meant like real cadavers. But it's actually a computer system, which is really neat. I'm going to show you the robotic system we have here. It's called a Da Vinci. Most hospitals have it, and it's rising in the medical field. It's one of 3 ways that we help assist in surgeries. We're in charge of making sure this is sterile and putting the instruments on. And the doctor sits over here at the console where they put their hands in and control these robotic arms, kind of like a video game, but more serious. So over here is the monitor and the console where we see all of this come together in real time. This is our supply area where we get our materials to practice for labs, which gets us ready for our clinicals. We have sutures, some syringes, gowns, and some gloves. This is what we'll be learning how to do our surgical scrub, which is very important so that we're surgically clean before we do any surgery. If you have any allergies like I do to latex or to iodine, there's some other options if you were concerned about that. So now we're here in our operating room, and they're practicing a laparoscopic surgery, which is one of the 3 ways that we get ready for clinicals. In our second term right now, we're moving on to urinary tract surgeries, but we've also covered OB/GYN and general surgeries at this point. Another approach that we will be learning or have learned is an open approach, which we use during more of an emergency scenario. So right now we're focusing on the laparoscopic, which is a camera that we enter in through the port. And as you see, Jillian is assisting with the camera and locating any kind of issues that the patient is having.
Hi, my name is Melody Sheely. I'm the program director here at Pasco-Hernando State College for the Surgical Technology program. I want to thank you for taking the time to spend with us today, looking at what we do on a normal daily basis, preparing ourselves for the clinical rotations. We are a 2-year, 4-semester program. We go from fall to spring and fall to spring graduation in May. And I look forward to having you in my next cohort.